In a world often bound by convention, where the daily grind can feel like an endless loop, many of us find ourselves yearning for something more. We crave a life that breaks free from the ordinary, a life that transcends the mundane routines and societal expectations that often confine us. The Code of the Extraordinary Mind by Vishen Lakhiani emerges as a beacon of change. This book isn't just a collection of ideas, it's a manifesto for those who dare to dream bigger and aim higher. It offers a roadmap for anyone looking to break free from the shackles of conventional thinking. This book is a call to action for those yearning to transcend the mundane and unlock their true potential. It speaks to the adventurers, the dreamers, and the doers who refuse to settle for mediocrity. It's about embracing a mindset that propels you towards greatness. Lakhiani challenges us to question the pre-programmed beliefs we often mistake for reality. He urges us to look within and identify the mental barriers that hold us back. By doing so, we can start to dismantle these barriers and replace them with empowering beliefs that drive us forward. He encourages us to rewrite the rules that hold us back from living extraordinary lives. These rules, often imposed by society or even ourselves, can be limiting. By rewriting them, we open up a world of possibilities and set the stage for a life filled with purpose and passion. This isn't just another self-help book. It's a revolutionary guide that challenges the status quo. Unlike traditional self-help books that offer generic advice, Lakhiani's work provides actionable steps and practical tools that can be implemented in everyday life. It's a blueprint for personal revolution. It lays out a clear path for transforming your life from the inside out. Whether you're looking to improve your career, relationships, or personal well-being, this book offers the guidance you need to make meaningful changes. Lakhiani provides practical tools and techniques for dismantling limiting beliefs. These tools are designed to help you break free from the mental constraints that have been holding you back, allowing you to reach new heights of personal and professional success. He shows us how to replace them with empowering truths. These truths become the foundation upon which we can build a life that is not only successful, but also deeply fulfilling. It's about creating a reality that aligns with our highest aspirations. The Code of the Extraordinary Mind is a journey of self-discovery. It's an invitation to explore the depths of your potential and to embark on a path that leads to a more meaningful and enriched life. This journey is not just about achieving external success, but also about finding inner peace and joy. This journey leads to a life brimming with purpose, passion, and joy. It's about living each day with intention and making choices that reflect your true self. By following the principles outlined in this book, you can create a life that is not only extraordinary, but also authentically yours. This summary will delve into the key principles outlined by Lakhiani. We'll break down the core concepts and provide insights into how you can apply them to your own life. Whether you're new to personal development or a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. We'll explore the 10 powerful laws that form the foundation for extraordinary living. These laws are not just theoretical, they are practical guidelines that can help you navigate the complexities of modern life with grace and confidence. Get ready to challenge your assumptions, redefine success, and step into a world of limitless possibility. Your extraordinary life awaits. It's time to take the first step on this transformative journey and discover what it truly means to live an extraordinary life. Have you ever questioned why things are the way they are? Why we follow certain rules and norms without ever stopping to think about their origins or their relevance to our lives? Vishen Lakhiani encourages us to challenge the brules or bullshit rules that govern our lives. These rules are often inherited from society, culture, or even our families, and we accept them without question. These are the unwritten societal norms, beliefs, and expectations often accepted without question. They dictate how we should live, what we should strive for, and even how we should think. These brules can stifle our growth and prevent us from living authentically. They create a framework that limits our potential and keeps us confined within a box of conformity. These brules might dictate career choices, relationship dynamics, or even our definition of happiness. They can lead us to pursue paths that are not truly aligned with our passions or values. Lakhiani urges us to identify these ingrained beliefs. By recognizing them, we can begin to understand how they influence our decisions and behaviors. We must then scrutinize their validity in the context of our own values and aspirations. Are these rules serving us or are they holding us back? Question everything. Is it true? Does it serve you? If not, discard it and rewrite your own rules. Create a new set of guidelines that resonate with your true self. By challenging these brulees, we break free from the shackles of conformity. We open ourselves up to new possibilities and a life that is more fulfilling and authentic. We empower ourselves to define success on our own terms. This newfound freedom allows us to pursue our true passions and live a life that is uniquely ours. This act of rebellion against the ordinary is the first step towards unlocking an extraordinary life. It is about daring to be different and embracing the journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Our beliefs shape our reality. They act as the lens through which we perceive the world, influencing our thoughts, emotions, and actions. When we hold empowering beliefs, we open ourselves up to endless possibilities and opportunities. Lakhiani emphasizes the profound impact our thoughts have on our experiences. He explains that our internal dialogue and the stories we tell ourselves can either propel us forward or hold us back. He introduces the concept of bending reality, suggesting that we have the power to influence our circumstances through the lens of our beliefs. By shifting our mindset, we can alter our perception of reality and, consequently, our experiences. If we believe in limitations, we limit our potential. Negative beliefs create mental barriers that prevent us from achieving our goals and dreams. Conversely, by cultivating empowering beliefs, we open ourselves up to a world of possibility. Positive beliefs act as a catalyst for growth, enabling us to overcome challenges and reach new heights. Lakhiani suggests various techniques for consciousness engineering, including visualization, affirmations, and gratitude practices. These methods help us to rewire our subconscious mind, replacing limiting beliefs with those that support our highest potential. These methods help reprogram our subconscious minds and install beliefs that support our desired outcomes. By consistently practicing these techniques, we can create lasting change in our lives. Remember, our minds are powerful instruments. They have the capacity to shape our reality in profound ways. By understanding how beliefs shape our reality, we can consciously choose thoughts that empower us. This awareness allows us to take control of our lives and steer them in the direction we desire. We can create a life that aligns with our deepest values and aspirations. By harnessing the power of belief, we can bend reality to our will and live a life of fulfillment and purpose. Setting goals is crucial for personal growth. Lakhiani advocates for setting compelling goals that excite and inspire us. He emphasizes the importance of aligning our goals with our values. This ensures our pursuits are meaningful and fulfilling. Rather than just setting traditional goals, Lakhiani introduces the concept of quests. Quests are grand, overarching life missions that provide a sense of purpose and direction. They are driven by passion and a desire to make a positive impact. By setting clear goals and embracing inspiring quests, we provide ourselves with a roadmap for an extraordinary life. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Enjoy the process of growth and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. Section 5. The importance of love and relationships. Love and connection are fundamental human needs. Lakhiani emphasizes the importance of cultivating loving and supportive relationships. He encourages us to surround ourselves with people who uplift us, challenge us, and inspire us to be our best selves. He also challenges conventional relationship models, encouraging readers to explore what truly works for them. Whether it's a traditional marriage, a non-monogamous partnership, or choosing to remain single, Lakhiani believes in prioritizing happiness and fulfillment in relationships. By fostering loving connections and embracing relationships that nourish our souls, we create a strong support system. This system empowers us to thrive on our journey towards an extraordinary life. Section 6. Mastering your mind, meditation and consciousness engineering. Our minds are incredibly powerful tools, yet they can also be our biggest obstacle. Lakhiani emphasizes the importance of mastering our minds through practices like meditation and mindfulness. Meditation helps us cultivate a sense of inner peace and clarity. It allows us to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment. This practice enhances self-awareness, reduces stress, and improves focus. Lakhiani also introduces the concept of consciousness engineering, which involves actively shaping our thoughts and beliefs. By combining meditation with techniques like visualization and affirmations, we can reprogram our subconscious minds for success and fulfillment. Section 7. Finding your tribe and giving back. No one achieves greatness in isolation. Lakhiani stresses the importance of finding our tribe, a community of like-minded individuals who share our values and support our growth. He also emphasizes the significance of giving back to the world. By contributing to something larger than ourselves, we find a sense of purpose and make a positive impact on the world around us. Surrounding ourselves with a supportive community and dedicating ourselves to a cause greater than ourselves brings joy and fulfillment. It also creates a ripple effect of positivity that extends far beyond our own lives. Section 8. Embracing the journey of personal growth. The code of the extraordinary mind is not a destination but a journey. Lakhiani emphasizes that personal growth is an ongoing process of learning, evolving, and expanding our horizons. He encourages us to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. He reminds us that setbacks are not failures, but stepping stones on the path to success. The key is to approach life with curiosity, a willingness to learn, and an unwavering belief in our own potential. Remember, the pursuit of an extraordinary life is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the journey, celebrate your progress, and never stop learning and growing. Section 9. Conclusion. Unlocking your extraordinary potential. The code of the extraordinary mind offers a transformative blueprint for living a life that defies limitations. By embracing Lakhiani's principles, we can break free from societal conditioning, challenge our beliefs, and design a life that aligns with our deepest values. Remember to question everything, cultivate empowering beliefs, set inspiring goals, nurture loving relationships, and never stop learning and growing. The power to unlock your extraordinary potential lies within you.